Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. Today, it's my Sephora Vib sale haul. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see. Subscribe down below if you have not yet. And there's a little join button right down there that you can click to get information about becoming a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. We are going to dive in very quickly because there's a lot to get through. If you are unfamiliar with the Sephora Vib sale, they do it 2 times a year and you can shop from April 1st right now, from April 1st to the 11th, and you can either get 10, 15, or 20% off. I take advantage every time this comes around. I stock up on all my faves. I try products that I've wanted to try, recommendations from you guys, and I stock up and save up for swap boxes, holidays, things like that. So these are just items that I've really been dying to try, newer releases. So I save up my Sephora credit card and I shop all at one time. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, I got some Sephora cotton swabs. I keep them beside me at all times. It's how I sharpen up my eyeshadow and things like that, and they're really affordable, and then of course 20% off of that. Next up, I am very excited about this. Also, it's a couple of foundations that I did get, you guys. I got them in a shade or 2 deeper than what I am right now because of course we're heading into spring and summer. But this is the brand new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. And I did get the shade 8P. I will say this feels quite light and it's not a full ounce. But we'll see. We're going to test everything out. I will definitely have a testing new products very, very soon. Please let me know what products you guys would like to see first. Again, I'm going to try to get through this as quickly as possible. Next up, and something I love and I'm obsessed with Sephora, is the little Sephora favorites, try me, test me type kits. I preach this to y'all all the time. I always wait until there are sales, whether it's with Ulta or Sephora. They're the 2 that I have credit cards with, or I wouldn't be buying anything. I wait until they have coupons, sales, until I saved up points. If they have really nice gift with purchase sets, you get the point. But this is the brand new Sephora Favorites Clean Me Up Kit. And it says, good for you, clean beauty must-haves. And it's got products from Item Beauty, Tower 28, Kosas, Say, Merit, Ilia. There are some travel size products in here, as well as a couple of full-size products. It also comes in a compostable pouch, which I think is super cool. And this is a great way, too, to kind of not spend a whole lot of money and be able to try out several brands. Then if you fall in love with the product in here, then you can take advantage and then you can pay full price. But this was $32 and then of course 20% off. So really excited. If you've tested anything in there, let me know. Next up, this was a recommendation. It was either Allie Glines or Babs Beauty recommended both of these products to me. But this is the new Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. I did get Apricot Glow. I've not tried a whole lot from Makeup by Mario, if anything. I may have a palette, but I haven't even used it yet. So very intrigued by this, very excited to test this out. Then also from either Allie Glines or Babs Beauty is the Fenty Skin Hydrate Hydra Reset Intensive Recovery Hand Mask. I haven't tried anything yet, I don't think, from Fenty Skin, but whoever it was raving about this. They had already panned it. I'm very excited to test this out. As you know, I have very, very dry skin, so I've really been looking for something that is super intensive and thick and really balmy and emollient, so I'm hoping this is it. I will, of course, update you guys. If you've tried it, of course, let us know down below. Next up is another Sephora Favorites. This one was only $10, and you also get a 15% off coupon inside, y'all, but it is called the Sephora Favorites Hello, and it says Beauty Hall of Fame. This one I will open and just very quickly because we can't really see everything that's in it. But again, this is a really affordable way to test a ton of new products. No, I didn't realize this was in here. I just bought 2. Anyways, it has the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I'm obsessed with this. And the iMethod Beauty one. Actually, I tested earlier today and I'm really, really liking that one as well. But it has this in it. It has a mini NARS Orgasm Blush. It has a mini Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Mask. It has a pretty good size of the Fab or First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It has a Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It has a mini Burberry, and then of course our 15% off coupon. So all of that for $10. I think that's an incredible value. Next up, I got this honestly just to kind of put into a giveaway or just to have because it was on clearance. And then 20% off. It's the Natasha Denona little 5 eyeshadow palettes, and it's in palette number 10. Again, it was on clearance and then also with the discount. No! I guess I'm not giving this one away. Dang! So I thought this would be really beautiful to put in like a little spring giveaway. It screamed spring to me, but it's also a little bit deeper, a little bit grungy. But as you can see, we had a little bit of a casualty. I'm going to go ahead and email them and let them know that. That kind of stinks. Anyways, I feel like it's a good deal still though. Hopefully they can send me a replacement. Next up, 2 items I wanted to try since they came out. And if the other products that I've tried from them are indicative in any way of how good these are going to be, then these are going to be Holy Grail products. I feel it, I know it, I'm willing it. But they're Kosas products. This is the Kosas Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. I did get sheer light, medium, feathery. And then I wanted to try this since it came out. It's the Kosas Revealer Skin Improving Foundation with SPF of 25. And I did get the shade light, medium, neutral, warm. Again, I'm thinking ahead, thinking into spring and summertime. So I've heard that these are a match made in heaven. I've heard that they are beautiful on the skin. And let me know if you'd rather see the Kosas products done first in an upcoming video or the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. Next up is the Lawless Forget the Filler, the Perfect Plump Set. That is a mouthful. It has the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss and the Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask. Again, I like getting little minis like this or little kits that you can try and test a product first and then go buy the full size. And I've heard nothing but beautiful things about Lawless. I don't believe I've tried anything from Lawless, so very excited about that. I got another little thing of the Q-tips. And then last that I can actually show because I got some stuff to put back for people. Another product that I've heard rave reviews about is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Powder No Powder. And I did get the shade 3N, so hopefully, again, it's suitable for spring and summertime. If this is as good as the highlight palette that I have, the Backstage palette, I think I'm going to love it. I think the shade is obviously going to be a little dark right now, but again, I got it to move into spring and summertime. The packaging and the component I think are absolutely beautiful. And then of course I got my few little, freebies or samples with my purchase. I don't really make kind of bigger purchases through Ulta and Sephora until I know that I can kind of get my bang for my buck, so to speak. And I think right now is the perfect time to do so. Everything is going to be linked down below. If you do click on those, I do earn a small commission, so just keep that in mind and thank you in advance. If you have any questions, if you want to message me over on Instagram, feel free to do so. If you have any more recommendations that I might need to pick up before the 11th, just let mama know. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.